Welcome to eBooks for Fashion podcast, the fashion marketing podcast that will help you to start or to grow your fashion business today. Want to learn more? Visit our website ebooksforfashion.com where you will find lots of free resources for your fashion business. Thanks for listening. Episode 248. Discover tips and tricks for finding top fashion resources. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Fashion Marketing Podcast, a podcast sponsored by ebooksforfashion.com. Today's episode is all about finding the top best fashion resources that can help you to grow your fashion business. So let's start. Welcome to another insightful episode from ebooksforfashion.com. Today we are excited to share some valuable tips and tricks to help you uncover fashion resources like Modem Online. Don't worry, I will put the links in the show notes for your online fashion learning. So first, let's talk about industry forums and communities. Join fashion-focused online forums and communities. Websites like Modem Online thrive on the exchange of ideas and trends. Actively participating in these platforms can help you stay updated and discover hidden gems. Second, fashion blogs and magazines. Explore fashion blogs and digital magazines that cater to your specific area of interest. These platforms often feature the latest trends, industry insights, and interviews with fashion experts. Third, social media channels. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Follow fashion influencers, brands, and industry leaders on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. They often share valuable resources and insights. Fourth, online fashion courses. Consider enrolling in online fashion courses. ebooksforfashion.com offers a range of courses that provide you with access to curated resources and expert guidance. Fifth, fashion resource websites. Look for dedicated fashion resource websites that aggregate articles, research, and trends. These platforms can be a goldmine of information, much like Modem Online. 6. Networking. Build a network of fellow fashion enthusiasts and professionals. Attend virtual fashion events, webinars, and conferences. Networking can lead to valuable resource recommendations. Please feel free to join our WhatsApp group of fashion entrepreneurs. You can check the link in the show notes so you can join our WhatsApp group of fashion entrepreneurs. 7th, library and database access. If you are part of an educational institution, check if you have access to fashion-related libraries and databases. These can provide access to premium research materials. 8th, subscription services. Consider subscribing to premium fashion research and trend forecasting services. They offer comprehensive insights into current and future fashion trends. At ebooksforfashion.com, we are committed to help you excel in your fashion studies. Our extensive collection of ebooks, courses, and resources is designed to support your learning journey. If you haven't explored our offerings yet, now is a great time to start. Stay tuned for more updates and resources to enhance your fashion education. We are here to empower your passion for fashion to your fashion business success. So I hope you enjoyed this episode full of resources, tips and tricks, and I hope you enjoyed everything we are sharing with you. And if you have any questions, as usual, you can reach us on social media or at our email. You can write to Maristella at ebooksforfashion.com or you can send a message here on the podcast too. I hope you enjoyed this episode and talk to you in the next one. Bye for now.